Okay, welcome everybody to our second session in Taming the Appalanche. This video that's playing in the background is just there as a little bit of eye candy. If you Google search up Corning World of Glass, you'll find this promo clip. I just find it's really neat to show staff. It's really neat to show kids, what are the possible futures in terms of people engaging with content through, the smart glass and smart screens. Anyway, enough of that. Here's our first app. In fact, there's two apps that I want just to highlight that I have on my iPad device, and that's what the purpose of these sessions are, the ones that I choose and use. And this first one is ScreenChomp. Now, ScreenChomp is a great little free application which allows learners or teachers to actually design and create lessons. So it's really easy to use. There's some very simple tools. There's a record button, so you can narrate, you can draw. You can also import backgrounds or image files, if you like, from your library. You can grab them from Dropbox. You can get them from your camera roll and so on. So you can grab backgrounds, or you can take a photo and make use of that in the background if you were going to be designing a lesson on a particular topic, let's say volcanoes. There's a range of drawing tools, and if you hold your finger down, some options will pop up. So there are highlighter pens, there are drawing tools, and there's an eraser. You can also make use of quite a lot of the screen real estate. Now, how I like to use ScreenChomp is as a learning activity for students, preferably in groups, because I'm a big fan, as you know, that technology should make learning public, that technology should augment students' collaboration, and technology should be used for knowledge construction. So that's why I like this app, why I like ScreenChomp, because it allows groups of students to design learning activities to teach groups of students, which is fantastic. Brilliant if you're running a flipped classroom model and the teacher is explaining a concept or an idea, they can share that. So I guess that's the other thing just to talk about, is that once you've designed, you've recorded yourself. In this case, I think you can see that I've recorded myself planning a lesson, I've narrated it and so on. Then a little share button pops up. Okay, that's then shared to the ScreenChomp cloud, and it's made available from there. But the clips are going to help you a lot more than I could, which is why I've included those for you to view afterwards. Okay, so the clips appear up in the top of the screen. So this one says the cloud is preparing your video to share. This one says swipe to delete it or touch to view it live. So I can view it live. This is my recorded lesson. And then there's a share button to email the link, copy the link, or to tweet the link. Really, really handy. This is a great app to be using. Hope you're enjoying the eye candy on the screen at the moment. The other one, which is a similar tool that I just want to highlight to you, is called Explain Everything. So if you like, it's a lecture capture and screencasting tool. A little bit like ScreenChomp, but maybe a grown-up version. It costs about $3, I think. You can import PowerPoint presentations, and each PowerPoint slide will appear as a separate icon. You can drag things out of Dropbox and Evernote. Essentially, you bring your content in, and then you record, you annotate, you mark up, and you share. Okay, so both Explain Everything and ScreenChomp are really good examples of content curation and potentially knowledge construction tools. So I recommend both of those to you. Hope you've enjoyed viewing this rather fantastic clip on the screen. I'm going to leave it to play for a little bit longer, okay?